when we look at the life of Jesus, we see, of course, a lot of different things, right? So I can't pretend to list everything that we see, but for our work today and thinking about Jesus engaging the world with his message of hope and love, I see at least three things when we look at the life of Jesus that I think are important for our conversation here today. The first thing is that place matters. Place matters. Jesus came to earth, a specific place, at a specific point in time, to dwell among us, right? We read in John 1:14, the Word became flesh and dwelled among us. This is important for so many reasons, but I believe one of the reasons it's important is because it communicates that we are valuable and loved enough for Jesus to come to us. Amen. Jesus could have revealed himself to us in many other ways, but he chose to come to us at a specific place in a specific time. He did not, in fact, Jesus didn't say, "Come follow me," until he first came to us. So place matters with Jesus. When we further examine the life of Jesus, we also see that not only does place matter, but proximity changes relationships. Proximity changes relationships. Not only did Jesus come to earth, specific time and a specific place, but he didn't minister from a distance while he walked the earth. He got close to people. He touched people. He got on their level. He allowed people to touch him. He connected with people relationally, even with, or especially with, those on the margins of society.